Hey guys, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. Quick video to give you a quick update. What's happening in the market? S&P 500 to be exact. Alright, anything I do say in this video is general advice only. Actually, in fact, you take anything I take in, anything I do in this video, you're going to lose money. You know what I mean, right? So anyway, disclaimers out of the way. Let's get straight into it right now. This is just a quick overview to show you what's happening in the market as I speak. Okay? So what we're doing right now is we're looking at the daily chart S&P 500, and we can clearly see on the S&P 500 is that if we add some, we can see this sort of level right here right now is adding a whole bunch of area of resistance to the market, and it's been struggling at that level for quite some time. You can see even on this day here, or the latest day that it's actually on. That I'm doing this recording. You can see this day here ran right up and came all the way down. Now if I just change this into, say, let's change this into just say a candlestick chart, you'll be able to see it a lot more, right? You'll be able to see, look, you can see that big long wick, okay? Big long wick, it ran all the way up through there, all the way down through there, and then closed through there. So this is definitely struggling as we speak right now when it comes to this market. You can see what's actually happening. We've got this sort of, the market ran up, sort of gave this sort of point through here. It's come back down, it's come back up, it's come back down. This actually could potentially be, now potentially, okay, be, if you have a look at this here, okay, let's just edit that so we can, let's just add, say, a blue. Okay, and let's add the through there, set as default. There we go, cool. All right, and so you can see that that might be a left head, that might be a that might be left shoulder, head, and you obviously know where I'm going with the next thing, right? This actually could be a little head and shoulder formation pattern. Okay, but in the whole scheme of things, we can actually see that this whole thing could be a big head and shoulder formation, right? Left shoulder, big head, big head, and then obviously another right shoulder here. Okay, so there's a little head and shoulder here, but this whole thing could be a head and shoulder formation. Makes sense? And it actually looks like that, doesn't it? It actually looks like it's forming a big head and shoulder formation. Now that's on the daily chart. That's actually very, very weak. Okay, now I'm not saying the market's gonna come down at all, but let me just remove all this sort of stuff now. Let me remove everything on the screen. Remove all that sort of stuff on the screen right now. Let's actually, and then what we're going to do is, it's important to get a good bigger view of what's happening in this market. So let's just delete everything up the screen, no indicators, no nothing like that, and let's get straight into what is happening right now in this market. Now what is happening? Let's go to the weekly chart. Let's check it out through here. All right. Now, looking at the weekly chart, what do we see? We see a nice big upward trend. Everything's hunky-dory, right? There's no bubble. The market's going up. The market's nothing wrong with the market. Blah, 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 blah. All right? Who cares what other people think? Just all you need to do is focus on the price action, and it will set you free. Right. What is happening with the price action right now? Well, simple analysis. Let's draw a trend line from here, okay, from the bottom here, and just draw it straight up through there. That trend line's pretty valid, right? Yeah, right through there. Okay, that trend line's really valid through there. And as we can see, the market bounces. You know, I'm sure you can see the bounces through there. Okay, so bounce through there, bounce through there, bounce through there, bounce through there. Markets continue up. So that trend line's quite valid, as you can see, right? So if we just create a parallel trend line and then create another trend line to the high side, you can see there's a nice channel through there. But that doesn't mean anything to us right now. What we're focusing on is what's happening in the overall big picture. Okay, overall big picture is this. Once we're looking at this market, okay, when we're looking at this market, we can clearly see once again that on the daily chart we have a whole bunch of resistance through here, okay, and we're still having that on the daily chart as well too. Now here's the caveat of this, okay. I know inside myself, and I did a video just a couple of days ago saying that as the market gets tighter and tighter and tighter into the channel, that we could actually have an explosion to the high side, okay, as in the market could just explode up to the high side. Now you don't know what's going to happen here, but this could be ready. Now if we actually do end up closing above this, you can see it's squeezing into this triangle pattern through here, and if we actually do close above this overall resistance line through, then we're likely to explode to the high side and then run. All right, but but yeah, so we're likely to take off. There is a lot of weakness in the market right now. Why I'm laughing is because I'm talking really fast right now, and I'm pumping this video out for you right now, and I'm just Just talking really quick. That's why I'm laughing. You wonder why I'm laughing. And you know, and trading the markets can be really fun. So let's enjoy it, eh? So then we have a nice bounce through here, nice bounce through here, and then obviously the market could explode through there. So, but obviously we want to wait to see what is happening with this overall markets. Okay. So that's what's happening in here. You can just clearly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks has been struggling at this. So if the market does start to break below this level here, and due to the fact that we're still seeing, you know, major peaks and troughs to the high side, okay, you can see this is the high trough through here. All I say is this, okay, looking at this market right now, higher troughs, the fact of the matter is this, okay, the fact of the matter is this. If we start to break below this level through here, okay, which is around about the sort of the, call it the 1800 level, okay, 1820 on the S&P 500. If the market starts breaking below that, it's going to start creating lower troughs, okay? Simple fact, higher trough, higher trough. If we start creating a lower trough, well, guess what? That to me, on a weekly chart, that to me is the sign that we're going to start getting some nice, decent, at least some sort of a pullback. I wouldn't call it a crash like Harry Dent and all that sort of stuff. Now, there is a lot of people that I respect that are pulling out of the markets because of what's happened in markets right now. But all I do say is this, is that what's looking on the charts is that if we start to form lower peaks and lower troughs on this S&P 500 chart, then you bet your bottom dollar that we're going to spend at least a bit of time to the downside. So keep an eye out for that. That's the only thing you want to be looking at on the weekly chart. Are we getting higher trough? If we start to form a lower trough, then that to me, overall, when looking at that, that to me tells me that we're going to start probably doing something like this, which is probably start to form lower peaks, lower troughs all the way down. And then if something happens, then we might start getting something like back in 2007. I don't think that's going to happen, but hey, we take it one day at a time, and that's the beauty thing about reading charts, because when you read the charts, you can understand what's happening, and you can take it each day as it comes, each week as it comes, and go with the flow. Go where the market's telling you. Who cares what the analysis say, because the charts will set you free. The charts will tell you when this thing's going to happen, if it does happen, and I'm talking about a crash. John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. If you like this, head on down there, check it out, and you know, get free CDs and all that sort of stuff from me, okay? Anyway, guys, remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. Hey, John Howell here, and if you like this video, then hit the like button and also the subscribe button on your screen right now. I also have 2 free gifts for you. If you're thinking about doing any type of investing, then don't do a thing until you get my free CD. And you can see more information about that on the screen right now. Just click on the image and it'll send you over to a page where you fill out the information, and I'll send it off to you for free. Also, if you're looking to get healthier, also looking to lose some weight, or you're looking to learn how did I remove my cancer 100% naturally back in 2009, I'm still healthy to this day, then click on the book image and I'll send that off to you for free as well. Also, if you did like this video and you want to support us, you can follow us on Facebook, or you can donate any amount that you feel that you got out of this video. You see, I'm planning on going to Africa soon to build homes, schools, etc., and some of the donations I get will be going to this cause as well. So click on the Facebook and the donate button, and that'll send you over to a page where you can do that. Okay. This is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com, and I'll see you soon.